Hello students, today we will be learning the chapter lesson number 6, caring for animals. Now today in this chapter we will be learning about animals, how they feel and why we should take care of them. This is like a story. We will just look at the story. I will read out and also I will explain. Dhwani lived with her parents in a city. In summer vacations, she went to her village where her grandfather and grandmother lived. Now this is Dhwani's village. You can see her grandmother. 2 calves are there, and this is her grandmother's home. This is a village. Grandmother used to talk about Frey and Molly. Dhwani wondered who they are. She wanted to meet them. When she met them, she found that they were 2 newborn calves. Now calves mean babies of cow. Dhwani was thrilled. She patted and cuddled them. Dhwani was very excited to see the calves. Okay, so she was playing with them. She cuddled them. Cuddle means playing. जैसे बेबीज़ या पपीज़ क्यूट होते हैं तो आप उनको टच करते हो ना, उनको प्यार करते हो. Likewise she was playing. So now you can see this is her grandmother's home, Dhwani's grandmother's home, and she has different types of pets. Okay. Besides that, her grandmother had a dog, a cat, a rabbit, and an aquarium full of colorful fishes. Now aquarium, you know everybody, where fishes live, that is aquarium. A small box you can see here. Okay, that is called aquarium, where all the fishes stay. Okay. Dhwani helped her grandmother in feeding the calves, giving milk to the cat, taking the dog for a walk, and in cleaning the aquarium. She enjoyed doing this. Once she asked her grandmother, "Grandmother, why do you have so many animals at your home?" "I love them," said her grandmother, "and they love me much more in return." Dhwani herself watched how the animals showed their happiness whenever they saw her grandmother. They wagged their tail, jumped at her, and licked her face and hands. Wagged means they moved their tail, shaking their tails, that means wagged. And lick means when you lick your ice creams. Okay, that is how they lick her face and hands. Her grandmother told her, "Animals never complain or grumble, but love us very much." Now, like humans, they complain for little things, for small things they complain, and grumble means talking within ourselves, talking bad, grumbling about something bad. So likewise, animals do not do such things. They don't grumble. But sad to say, some people do not treat the animals well. They forget that God has made animals too. The animals also have feelings and feel pain just as we do. They cannot talk to us and tell us how they feel. So, we should not hurt them. We should love and take care not only of our pets but also stray animals. We should never tease them or hurt them, said Grandma. You are absolutely right, Grandmother. From today onwards, I will never tease or hurt the animals. I will also tell my friends to do the same. So here you can see there are two, one is a boy and one is a girl. They are playing with the animals or they are teasing the animals. So we should not tease any animal. As we love our pets at home, we also have pets at home. Some of you might be having a dog or a cat or a bird. So like you love your pet animals, you should also love the stray animals. Okay? स्ट्रे एनिमल्स हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि वो लोग के पास फीलिंग्स नहीं हैं. दे आर ऑल्सो मेड बाय गॉड, दे ऑल्सो हैव फीलिंग्स. सो द मॉरल ऑफ द स्टोरी, वी शुड लव एनिमल्स. एनिमल्स कोई से भी होते हैं, उनको यू शुड लव. ओके, not only the pet animals but also the stray animals, because if we love animals, they also love us in return. They do not complain about anything, but they will love you even much more. Okay, so here we have learned about a girl who went to her grandmother's home and saw many animals at her grandmother's home and learned about how we should treat animals. We should be kind to them, we should love them, and they will love us in return. Her grandmother has explained her very nicely how and why we should love animals. So here we have learned much about animals and their feelings. Animals cannot talk to us how we talk to our friends, right? When we are hurt, when we want to say something or we want to share something, we talk to our friends. But animals cannot talk to us and tell us how they feel. They cannot even share their feelings. So we should never be rude to them. We have to be very nice to them and also see how they feel, because they cannot tell us. So we should have that quality that we understand and love our animals. So I want all of you to read the chapter by yourself. As I have read, you can just read the chapter by yourself and learn the spellings and the meaning of the chapter. Here you have the exercise. I will be sending a pic in all the groups so that you can do the exercise. Just see, I will be writing here the question answer and also the fill in the blanks, true and false. I will be filling all and I will just send a pic in your groups so that you complete your work. Okay.